Hey guys, so I am going to be showing you the Aria. This is their cheapest room, and we're going to start the doors right here. They have master lights. You can turn to service, privacy. It turns on a light outside, so like privacy if you need service, and your regular lights and stuff. And then this is like the little foyer place. I have a closet. The closet has a light, has hangers, has these nice wood hangers. They have for shoe shine, dry cleaning. I have my bag here. And then it's nice, it's really big. They have like the luggage rack. And then here they have these big giant drawers in here. They have this little place that has a picture. And it's nice, and these big drawers. And then here's another closet, and it comes with robes. I'm actually wearing one right now. I am wearing a robe right now. So it comes with these nice big giant robes, and another like hangers, ironing board, iron, all that stuff. And then right here is a mirror. You can see me. Hi. I have been here this is my second night, so I'm going home tomorrow. And then right here they have a letter. It says, "Dear guests, welcome to Las Vegas. Thank you for choosing us." You know, they talk about the mask and stuff like that, and they give you this little package with extra masks in it, and extra masks, and looks like hand sanitizer. Let's see. Open it up. Yeah, it's just two masks. They give you 2 masks and a hand sanitizer in a little pouch. So I'm definitely going to be taking this home with me because it's a good little makeup pouch too if you want to put your makeup in. Alright, so right now we're going to swing over. Oh, I just noticed they have plugs right here. That's a good idea. They have plugs right there. They have a lot of plugs here. But we're going to swing over to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Like I said, it's a tiny bit messy because I've been here. This is my second night. 2 sinks. The toilet room is in here. It's nice glass, and it's toilet, phone, stuff like that. And then the mirror. Hi guys. It's actually my tomorrow's my birthday, so yeah. Leave me happy birthday in the comments. And then they have a mirror. And then if you swing this way, this is the shower bath. So literally you walk in and you're in the shower, right? This is the shower. Nice shower. And they have a nice bathtub, which I am going to get in again after this video. So it's a big walk-in shower. So that's very nice. And then we are walking, and it has like these pocket doors for the bathroom, so it's like saves a lot of space. And then we're gonna walk into the main part of the room. This is the main part of the room. Like I said, I've been here. This is my second night, so it's a little bit messy. I should have did this the first night, but I was so tired. They have a lamp, a nice lamp, remote, and then what's really cool about this hotel is they have room controls. So room controls, I could turn on the air right now because I have it at 60. So literally you could pick this up. You can pick this up, take this everywhere with you in the room, turn on the air. My air just kicked on. You could do lighting. I could turn off the lights on the entry. I could turn off any light I want. And scenes, they have evening, refreshed, so if you want to get up and be refreshed. Romance, I had that on last night and I was watching TV. It was very nice. Welcome, good night. Good night turns everything off. And then they have the drapes, which you can open and close the shears, the blackouts. They have alarms. You can actually listen to music. And you can have room service. There's room service, takeout. So like you could take out from the sandwich place, the the bakery, which I'm gonna probably do right now because I didn't have dinner yet. So I'm gonna go in here and probably get something to eat, like a sandwich, a hot sandwich. And probably, ooh, $12. Little. They have salads, beverages, smoothies. So yeah, and lemongrass. I went to lemongrass last night for dinner. We could have ordered that for takeout and brought it back, but it's okay. And they have restaurants and bars, the spa, probably the mini bar, you know, guest services. You can check out from here, everything. So it's a very nice addition. And right here they do have another thing where you could click good night. I clicked this last night. Everything turned off. Everything turned off. The blinds, the drapes closed, everything just from a click of a button. So they have one over here on this side, and then they have one on the other side. And there's Barry. And then right here is the desk. I haven't used the desk because I'm not trying to work. It's my birthday vacation. So I didn't really sit here, but it looks cool. They actually have the Las Vegas magazine. I spilled water right there, sorry. They have this lamp, phone, and then they have a big TV right here. Big TV. And then over here they have the mini bar. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to get charged. And then the ice bucket was over there. I'm about to get some ice when I come back. Waters, if you really want, like, I don't know how much the waters are. I'm not touching the waters. So yeah, and then they have this nice like decorations right here. Another lamp, 2 chairs. Sorry, my stuff is on here because I've been, like I said, I've been here for 2 days. Little like table. I've been using this as my little desk area. I'm sitting in this chair. Over here, another phone, and the thing where you could set your reading lamps. These are the reading lamps, so they could dim, you know, stuff like that. Another lamp. I was taking pictures with my tripod, and then here's the view. I'm gonna show you like this because, and there's the Vadar right there. You can kind of see it. Something weird has been happening tonight. Like, I don't know if it's wires crossed or something, but I was literally sitting here, and then all the lights just turned off and the blinds started closing. It happened 2 times already. So I don't want to turn off any lights. I'm probably gonna sleep with a few lights on tonight. I'm not gonna turn off any. Oh, look at Barry. Look at Barry. He's going to bed. He's sleepy. But yeah, I'm gonna post pictures of it during the day and at night so you guys can see the full view. But right now I'm not turning off. I'm sleeping with a light on, okay? Because it was scary. Like, I was literally sitting here, and then I heard, like, cause you know buttons, you kind of make a little click noise, right? So it clicked, and then the lights turned off and the curtains closed, and I was the only one in here. So I'm a little freaked out. So yeah, but I'm gonna give you a little spin. I like this blue, it's like blue velvet headboard. I really like it. And the bed, oh my god, the bed is so comfortable. Like, I took a nap earlier. I was out for like 4 hours, like out. It's so comfortable. But anyway, sorry, my camera cut off. I needed more space, but I'm gonna give you a little more spin of the room. I love this window, it's humongous. And this is the little foyer. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Tomorrow is my birthday. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging my birthday. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm supposed to be going out. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go and take a bath. Well, I'm gonna go get ice go get a sandwich, come back up, take a bath. I'm enjoying my night here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which rooms you want to see next, because I want to show you more rooms. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.